Krishna is that kind of Guru. Not only Guru, he is also God. That's why it says Sri Bhagavan Vacha. Lord Krishna is clarifying. What is Bhagavan? I think we discussed everything. What is Bhagavan? Bhaga means opulence. Van means one who possesses. We discussed six kinds of opulences. Aishwaryasya samagrasya viryasya yasasasriyaha jnana and vairagya. These six opulences in full Krishna has. Okay? So one may say this is only one sloka, sir. I am not convinced, because anybody can write these slokas and thus make somebody become God. It's not like that. Krishna is not like that God. I remember, I think it was 1986 or 86. It was in Baltimore, Maryland. One Swami Narayan, you might have heard in Gujarat, one Swami came. He said, you made Krishna God, we made Swami Narayan God, so what is the difference? I said, no, look, in the books you will find. So we quoted Valmiki Ramayana, and Lord Krishna in Dandakaranya is giving blessings to the sages and saintly people who are performing tapasya, austerities, to receive benediction. Lord Rama came to them and they asked, we want to become your lovers. So Lord Rama said, next life you can. I will come as Krishna. Right now I am in Maryada. I have limitations. So next time I will come as Krishna and you come as Gopika. Like that. So there are many incidences. We discussed previously about 12 Mahajanas. That was Swayambhu, Narada, Shambhu, Kumara, Kapilo, Manu. These Mahajanas, they existed before Lord Krishna's arrival to this world. Most of them. So Swayambhu means Brahma, Chaturmukh Brahma. He says, Ishwaraha Parama Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha Anadir Adi Govinda Sarvakarano Karanam. Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. He is the cause of all causes, he said. Four-headed Brahma, he is telling. Then comes Swayam Narada. Narada Pancharatra we open. Krishna is considered to be Krishnam Param Brahma Gudha Manishyalingam. Krishna is hidden in the human-looking form. He is the supreme Param Brahman, he says, Narada Muni. Then Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva says, Govindeta Sada Dhyanam, Govindeta Sada Japaha, Govindeta Sada Snanam, Sada Govinda Kirtanam. He always meditates on Lord Govinda. Further he says, Nandadi Gokule Trata Data Daridra Bhanjana Sarvamangala Data Cha Sarvakama Pradaya. Lord Shiva speaks. Not only we as Virtilakam in our Sampradaya, Gaudiya Sampradaya say Krishna is the Supreme. No. Lord Shiva with 5 heads, he says that. With 4 heads, he is saying that. With 1 head, he is saying that. All these 12 Mahajanas describe. Sukadev Goswami is one Mahajana, he says that. Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam Indrari Vyakulam Lokam Murdayanti Yuge Yuge. In every yoga, Lord Krishna comes and he is the Supreme Personality of Godhead among all avatars. So if all the authorities accept Krishna as God, why we hesitate? Our life is limited, and in the limited life with limited knowledge, if we hesitate to accept Krishna as God, then our fate might be jeopardized. So he says, Lord Krishna, Sri Bhagavan Vacha.